Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to be trying to do a landscape pour. I'm going to do a sunset and then maybe some mountains and then green grass and then hopefully some kind of wildflowers down in here. This is not my wheelhouse landscape, but this is only an 8x10, and the colors I'm using, I will take pictures of them and put it either at the beginning or the end of the video. There's just too many colors that are mixed to get the colors I want. So my plan is to do a flip cup on the sunset, the mountains, and the grass. And then I am not really sure if I'm going to do the wildflowers with it wet or wait until it dries and use Q-tips to make the wildflowers. Don't know. So I guess if I try it wet and it doesn't work out, then I'll wait till it dries. Okay, so I'm going to layer the paints. I want the sunset, I want it to be darker on the top and then lighter as it goes down. But I'm doing a flip cup, so who knows. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the darker colors on one side of the cup. A very pretty dark purple. Not that it's really going to matter because it's all going to mix together. Okay. And then I do want the light to be on this side. A little bit. No silicone in here. If I need to swipe it if the flip cup doesn't work out and I need to swipe it, depending on what it looks like, I may do a little bit of silicone on a swipe using small swipe plastic. Yeah, I have some. So I guess I'll go a little bit more. I got metallics in here. I have all kinds of different brands of paint. Okay, so this might be enough. I'm going to go ahead and put that down like that. And I'm not sure how much of this, I think it's going to be more sunset, a little bit of mountains, and then a field. But we'll see how it turns out. I'm going to have to flip this one first, move it around, then do the brown for the mountains. Move that around and then do the other one and hope I don't lose everything while I'm doing it. So, getting a little too technical for my taste, but hey, sometimes I've done some sunsets with ocean pours. If you look back on the videos, I've done sunset with the ocean pour. It was mostly a swipe. It turned out fine, but we'll see. Let's see. Here we go. Whoops, don't want to lose it, don't want to lose it, don't want to lose it. Okay. I do like that the purple did show up at the top and the yellow showed up at the bottom. I'm pleased about that. Okay. I just don't want to lose a whole bunch of that up there. And I might have had too much paint, so if I'm going to lose any paint, I would really want it to be off the side. All right, sunset. Not bad. I would have liked a little bit more yellow down here. Sparkly. These look like puffy clouds. So there's the sunset. I'll bring it up to you. So layering it in the cup like I did really helped put the colors where I wanted them, except I didn't have enough yellow. I could always just pour yellow on there, but I think I'm good with what I have. Okay, so the next flip cup, it's going to be, I'm sort of going to mix this one up. All right, yeah, this is going to be, you know what, I think I'm going to transfer this into a small cup. I'm putting it in a small cup. I just didn't want the mountains to be that high. And I don't mean that high. I mean, you know what I mean. That wide. Hopefully they'll look high. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and here we go. I'm going to tilt it a little bit. All right. That wasn't very good, but you get the idea. But this black, or it's actually Payne's gray mixed with a little bit of black. Looks like mountains here. Looks like the mountain coming up. I probably should have put a little bit of yellow also in this, but I didn't. So that's looking pretty cool. All right, so now I'm gonna tilt it this way just a little bit. Make the mountains grow a little bit. There we go. Okay, now I got the green to do. I didn't really want this to be as, you know what I'm going to do? I am going to scrape some of that off in a nice way. All right, there we go. That's more what I wanted right there. So now I have room for the green. So I'm going to go ahead and layer the green in the cup, and I'm going to do it the same way. I'm going to do it over here. I don't want it dripping on there. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of this brown. Turn it around. All right, there we go. Let's see what happens. I'm really happy with this so far. I probably could have put more colors in the mountains. Like I said, more yellow. And if I want to, I could put yellow in there, some green, and then swipe it. But let's see how this goes first. That's it. Okay. I like it. got some fixing to do. Now I just have to decide what I'm going to do with the for the flowers down here. I could also bring the flowers up on the hills. Okay, I think I'm going to wait a bit for this to dry and get a little sheen over it, because I don't want the flowers to just expand. I want them to hold their shape. I'm going to be probably putting on the flowers with one of these wooden barbecue skewers. But for now, I want to get a little bit more feeling here with depth. So I'm going to sort of draw a line. Alright, so I'll be back with you. I am going to try to put some bigger flowers towards the front and some smaller field of flowers towards the back. I think I'm good with the shape that we have here. So I'll be right back. Hold on, and we'll get some flowers going on down here. Okay, it's been probably about an hour, and I can see the sides are starting to dry. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing my wildflowers. Turn this back around. So I'm going to do it with one of these barbecue sticks, and I also have some orange, and has a very fine tip on it for poppies. So this is the first time I'm trying this. Let's see what happens. I got a bright yellow, a sort of a red pinkish color, and I'm using the Folk Art Amethyst for lavender colored. So let's see if we can see what it looks like. I have no idea if this is too wet. So I'm going to do smaller flowers up here. This is going to be time consuming, so most likely I'm just going to speed this up. Okay, I finished the wildflowers up in here. You can see them right in here. Now I'm going to work on these poppies. So I want to put a little black on the bottom of these, and I hope it's not still too wet, but we'll see. These are still super wet, so I'm going to have to wait a little bit. I'm going to have to wait a little bit. Anyway, that's what it looks like now. Pretty happy with it. Okay, I think the poppies are dry enough where I can put a little brown area on them on the bottom. We'll be having a driveway get together tonight. So I gotta hurry up. We got 10 people coming. We're each couple's about 8 feet apart. Everybody's bringing their own drinks and their own food and their own folding chair. Since we're still in quarantine here in California. But we all miss each other, so we're gonna do it like that. Okay, I think I'm done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.